दोस्तों अगर आप भी मेरे तरह विंडोज का पीसी यूज करते हैं तो आप विंडोज के डेटा कंज्यूमिंग को लेकर बहुत परेशान होंगे, क्योंकि दोस्तों आप देखे होंगे कि विंडोज बहुत कम टाइम में बहुत ज्यादा डेटा कंज्यूम कर लेता है। क्योंकि दोस्तों विंडोज का कुछ इंटरनल प्रोसेस होता है, जैसे हो गया विंडोज डिफेंडर और विंडोज अपडेट, और उसके अलावा बहुत ऐसे सारे कुछ सर्विसेज होता है जो बैकग्राउंड में चलते चलते हमारा बहुत सारा डेटा कंज्यूम कर लेता है। पर दोस्तों विंडोज अपडेट और विंडोज डिफेंडर ये हमें ऊपर से दिखाई देता है, सो हम चाहे तो उसको डिजेबल कर सकते हैं। पर दोस्तों उसके अलावा भी और कई सारे सर्विसेज है जिसको हम डिजेबल नहीं कर सकते। बेसिकली हमें उसका नाम ही पता नहीं है, तो हम उस सर्विस को कहां से ढूंढे और कहां से डिजेबल करें। सो दोस्तों मैं इस वीडियो में इसी बारे में ही बात करने जा रहा हूँ। कौन सी सॉफ्टवेयर और कौन सी सर्विस कितना डेटा कंज्यूम कर लेता है वो जानने के लिए चलते हैं हमारे कंप्यूटर स्क्रीन की तरफ।
Hello friends, welcome you all to my YouTube channel Sanjeev Guchat, and in this video I am going to tell you about how to trace your data usage in Windows PC. So for that we need a specific software called Glassware. To download this software we have to go to Google and we need to enter Glassware in the search box, Glassware. After you type, hit enter. In the first option you can see that there is an option called Glassware Personal Firewall and Network Monitor. This page is being loading, and you can see that guys, you can see this application on mobile also. You can try if you want to. You can see that guys, you can download it for absolutely free. Before I start downloading this software, I would like to share some features with you guys. You can see here guys, instantly use who or what your PC is talking to, and you can detect spyware, malware, and Glassware warns you network related changes and monitor your PC network uses and get alerted when other network connected to your Wi-Fi. You can see here guys the service application using your internet right now, and you can see the network usage. Keep track of your data usage on your PC. Go back time in Glassback network to see how much data you use on some other day, and here you can see the data usage. You can see how many data consuming on the particular day and which software consuming how much data. Here you can see guys the host and the traffic types, and this is a personal firewall software, and you can buy Glassware to get some extra features. This application is also available for Android, but I do not recommend this application on mobile because our smartphone do not consuming a lot of data as compared to PC. So we have to download this software by free download button. So you can see here guys the download begins, but I have already this software in my computer, so I do not need to download it again. So guys, we are on the Glassware software interface right now. You can see that guys the graph of the data consuming, and in the usage page you can see today 58 MB data I used and 1.2 MB data upload from that server or something. You can see that guys, and from the application section you can see my Google Chrome is used 37 MB, and the host process of Windows service is consumed 14 MB, and Microsoft Corporation consumed 2.5 MB, and Adobe Creative Cloud consumed 1.1 MB. You can see their host and traffic types. In the things there are nothing to do. In firewall you can see the firewall and alert. You can see from which application are using the data right now. If you buy this software, then you will be able to restrict the data usage services. And
दोस्तों बस अगर वीडियो पसंद आए तो लाइक करें। इस चैनल में और भी बहुत ज्यादा इंफॉर्मेटिव वीडियो है, वो जाके देखिए, और वो पसंद आए तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दिए। जय हिंद, जय जगन्नाथ।